Hello everyone, welcome to Toyeen Talks. Thank you for watching. Till I'll see you in my next video. Stay safe, stay blessed. I love you. Bye.
Because you want them to see the Christ that is in you. Christ that is in you. Ó máa sọ fún ẹni yẹn pé kó má bínú. Ó ṣeé ṣe kó jẹ́ yí pé wọ́n fẹ́ fi gba ògo ọwọ́ ẹ̀ yẹn, wọ́n fẹ́ fi jábọ́. And sorry can never kill you. Telling you. Sorry can never kill you. Ní last year, òun ni Gistlover ló gbé Àgbàlá Gabriel pẹ̀lú obìnrin kan pé wọ́n bára wọn sùn ní last year. Muyideen jáde ní 2024. Ó ní Àgbàlá Gabriel bá ìyàwó wọn sùn. Ta ló ń wá ìṣubú Àgbàlá Gabriel? Ta ló lọ fa? Ó dàbí tẹ́ bá wo disciple Ọlọ́run. Tẹ́ bá wo disciple Ọlọ́run. Ta ló dá? Ta ló dá? Ẹni tó jẹun ẹ̀ tó jata ẹ̀. Òun náà ló dá Jésù Kristi. Òun náà ló dá Jésù Kristi. Kò síye help kí Àgbàlá Gabriel kó kọ́ gbogbo ilé tó wà ní Nàìjíríà yẹn. Kó kọ́ fún Muyideen. Ungrateful will continue to be ungrateful person. Ẹni tí ò mọ̀re, ó máa jẹ́ ẹni tí ò mọ̀re náà ni. What are you saying? Ẹni tí ò mọ̀re máa jẹ́ ẹni tí ò mọ̀re ni. Ó ṣe fídíò 8 minutes kan jáde. Ó sunkún, ó mú gbogbo rọ́ọ̀bù ilé ayé, ó kó sójú. Because ó fẹ́ enter. Because ó mọ̀ pé that man has enemy. Of course. Ẹni tó bá ti ń ṣe dáadáa fún àwọn ènìyàn, ó single-handedly wọ́n ti lọ gbá àwọn picture kan jáde. Mo rí àwọn picture kan nípa Àgbàlá Gabriel. It was not really nice. It was not nice. Òun náà máa ní títí ẹ̀ lọ́wọ́ o. Àgbàlá Gabriel is not a god. Okay, ṣe Ọlọ́run. He is a human being. That's one thing you guys should know. But because he portrayed the image of Christ, we should see that image in him. Ó jáde ó sọ yí pé Ọlọ́run pè mí láti ṣe iṣẹ́ yẹn ràn mí lọ́wọ́ ó mama abroad. Because he always delivered. That's why everybody gather up láti ràn lọ́wọ́. Àgbàlá Muyideen was in his own. Ẹ máa wo gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tó ṣubú. Ẹ máa wo àwọn tí wọ́n ràn lọ́wọ́ tí wọ́n ti pa tẹ̀ ṣubú wọn ò wá bá wọn fún ìrànlọ́wọ́. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ àwọn tí ò wá bẹ́ẹ̀ fún ìrànlọ́wọ́ tó lọ ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́ àwọn tí wọ́n dẹ sínú gbèsè ayé ẹ̀ ní wọ́n fún ara ẹ̀ ló lọ fa èṣù láyé wá sínú gbèsè ayé. Jẹ́ kí ẹni tó fẹ́ ìrànlọ́wọ́ gangan wá bá ẹ. Wàá rí pé gbogbo àwọn tí Àgbàlá Gabriel tó ràn lọ́wọ́ mélòó nínú wọn ló ti bọ́ síta sọ yí pé arákùnrin yìí bà tòun jẹ́. Mélòó nínú wọn? O gbọ́dọ̀ kọ́ ọgbọ́n nínú ọ̀rọ̀ Àgbàlá Gabriel. Tí o bá kọ́ ọgbọ́n nínú ẹ̀, ó ṣeé ṣe ní ọ̀la kó jì sọ́fìn ayé. Ṣó ti rí kíní kéńkélé tó ṣẹlẹ̀ yìí nípa ti Muyideen. Ẹ máa wo bó ṣe ń lọ. Ẹ máa wo. Ṣé kò yé yín? Ẹ máa wo bó ṣe ń lọ. Torí pé ẹni tí wọ́n ń wá ìbọn ọmọ Ìbàdàn ni. Ẹni tí wọ́n ń wá láti jẹun ni. Ó wá fi ara ẹ̀ sílẹ̀. Ọlọ́run má jẹ́ ká fi ara wa sílẹ̀ fún ọ̀tá kó yọ̀ wá. Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ ká fi ara wa sílẹ̀ fún ọ̀tá kó yọ̀ wá. Honestly speaking. Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́ ká fi ara wa sílẹ̀ sí ọ̀tá kó yọ̀ wá. Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́, Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́, Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́, Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́, Ọlọ́run ò ní jẹ́. Ìjọ́ wo ni ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ ṣẹlẹ̀? Muyideen ti sáré ní TikTok. Kó ba lè mọ̀ yí pé ọ̀tá pọ̀ ju enemy fún Àgbàlá Gabriel lọ. Ọ̀tá pọ̀ ju enemy ẹ̀ lọ. Ní Nàìjíríà, ẹni tó bá ń ṣe àánú, a mọ̀ pé owó ẹ̀kọ́ ló ń lò ó. A mọ̀ pé the public form is what he was using. and he was using it for a good cause. Ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ èèyàn ló dá million fún lọ́wọ́ tí wọ́n deliver. But Agbala Gabriel deliver. That's why we love him. I love honest person. When you are honest, kò sí nǹkan tí mo lè ṣe fún ẹ láyé mi. Honest woman being. I love them. I love when you are transparent. Ẹ wá wo àwọn ènìyàn tí wọ́n dìde. Good morning, Daddy. Good morning. Ẹ wá wo àwọn ènìyàn tí wọ́n dìde. Tí wọ́n fẹ́ fi Muyideen tó fẹ́ fi bàjà. Àwọn tó jẹ́ yí pé wọ́n ṣe charity, wọ́n ò lè defend ẹ̀. Kí wo Esabod máa bú Agbala Gabriel. Wo Esabod yìí. Kó máa ṣe show fún Agbala Gabriel. No be juju be that. Ta ló ti pa lẹ́rìn nínú ayé? Ta ló ti pa lẹ́rìn nínú ayé? Ṣùgbọ́n man yìí ó dìde láti ibi tí kò ti sí ọ̀nà. Ó tọ ọ̀nà lọ pé tóun bá dé ń ṣe àwọn nǹkan báyìí o lórí social media. Ó máa ràn àwọn èèyàn lọ́wọ́. Ó gbé fóònù ẹ̀. Á rí àwọn tó fẹ́ ràn lọ́wọ́. Ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ láti àwọn widow, àwọn awúgbó, ó bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí ràn wọ́n lọ́wọ́. Ìfẹ́ ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí tàn sí. Ó ní mo ṣe mọ Agbala Gabriel. Pẹ̀lú bí mo ṣe like Christianity tó. Torí nǹkan tí Agbala Gabriel ń ṣe, mo dá sí Christianity gan. Mo dá sí gan. Ọlọ́run bẹ́ ń bíbà. Ọlọ́run wà ń bí. Torí pé tí Agbala Gabriel wá, it's better for you when you serve God. You need to be 24 hours. You need to be in spirit. You need to be in spirit. 24 hours you have to be in spirit. If Agbala Gabriel was in spirit, he would never choose Muyideen to help. Because the Muslim brothers, they can see Muyideen, they did not help him. If he was in spirit, that is the reason why you don't allow the Holy Spirit to leave you. Because ọ̀pọ̀lọpọ̀ ènìyàn ló wà nílé ayé tínú wọn ò dùn sí nǹkan tí Agbala Gabriel yẹn ṣe. Humanity ló ń ṣe. They will want him to crumble. They want him to crumble. Because those people that he was saving, Mopon save a soul. He was saving a soul. Ẹni tí ò nílé di ẹni tó nílé. Through him. Let's say it was not the owó ẹ̀kọ́, but through him we gathered the money. We believe in him. That's why we pay into his charity. We believe that he will deliver. But so many people don't sọ yí pé ẹni yóò ní kọ́lé, but nítorí pé ó lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ Agbala Gabriel. Ẹ wo gbogbo Nàìjíríà ni mo bá sọ̀rọ̀ lọ́wọ́ yìí o. Gbogbo yín pátápátá, gbogbo ẹ̀yin ọmọ Yorùbá káàárọ̀ oòjíire. Torí ìwọ Agbala Gabriel yìí, tí ẹ bá kan mọ́gi àgbélébù, ẹ lè ra láàánú mọ́. Ìwé mi sì máa yọ ọwọ́, máa yọ ẹsẹ̀ mi ni. Tẹ́ bá kan woman ní mọ́ àgbélébù, ẹ lè ra láàánú mọ́. Tẹ́ bá jẹ́ kí àwọn òṣìkà kó borí man yìí, ẹ lè ra láàánú mọ́. Ẹni tó fi ìyàwó ẹ̀ sílẹ̀, tó fi ọmọ ẹ̀ sílẹ̀, ṣó ti yé yín sìn. Ó fi àwọn ọmọ ẹ̀ sílẹ̀. He take this thing upon himself. But what are we doing? Because of a small mistake. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wá gbé ẹran ara wọ̀. Mo fẹ́ yọ church tó wà nínú ìgbésí ayé Agbala Gabriel. Mo fẹ́ yọ that Christ that is in him. Mo fẹ́ yọ kúrò. Mo fẹ́ kó gbé ẹran ara lásán wọ̀. Tẹ́ bá ṣe nǹkan fún yàn, èmi gan máa ń ṣe. If you come to me that you need help and I help you, and you come back in the next 2 months, I will never help you. Because mi ò gbé aṣẹ́wó, mi ò jalè. Go and ask people that are normally help. I can give you millions. When you did not succeed, you can never get any money from me anymore. Nǹkan tó ṣẹlẹ̀ sí Agbala Gabriel nìyẹn. Me that is human being as well. Because he said he's a pastor. That was the reason why. T.S.N. castigated. Then castigated. Because he's a pastor. Ẹ jẹ́ ká wo aṣọ ara fún Àgbàlagébẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká yọ pastor yẹn kúrò nínú orúkọ ẹ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká sọ pé kò ń ṣe pastor. Èmi fún ara mi. Ṣé kò yé yín sìn? Mo ti ṣí ṣọ́ọ̀bù tá ná millions of millions. Millions of millions la fi kó ẹrù sínú ṣọ́ọ̀bù yẹn. It was in Nigeria. Ṣé ti yé yín lẹ́ni? Ọmọ yẹn ò lo 1 year tá sanwó ṣọ́ọ̀bù 1 year. Kò lo bí 2 months ló lò nínú ṣọ́ọ̀bù yẹn. Tó ta gbogbo ohun tí a fi millions kó jọ síbẹ̀. Tó ta tó sọ pé òun fẹ́ máa lọ ṣiṣẹ́ London èèyàn nítorí 40,000 naira. Tó máa fún lóṣù. Tó dẹ̀ ń pa 10,000 naira lójúmọ́ nínú ṣọ́ọ̀bù tá fi sí tá ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ ṣí. Ó ta gbogbo ohun tó wà bẹ́ẹ̀ pátápátá. Ó mọ̀ pé ó máa ṣe nǹkan bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn. A dẹ̀ fi gbogbo ó dùn mí ó dẹlẹ́dàá mi. Ọlọ́pàá ló kù tí mo fẹ́ fi lọ gbé. Làwọn èèyàn wá sọ fún mi pé ṣe bí oore ló ṣe kí ló fẹ́ fọlọ́pàá gbé fún. Mo ní mo máa fọlọ́pàá gbé. Torí pé mi ò ṣiṣẹ́ aṣẹ́wó. Èèyàn lé èmi ò kì í ṣe pásítọ̀ nìyẹn o. Ó wá jẹ́ pásítọ̀ tó fẹ́ fún tó sọ pé ẹ dúpẹ́ o, a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o, tó ṣàdúrà fún àwọn èèyàn tó dáwó fún Àgbàlagébẹ̀. Fún Muyideen wá the same shop yẹn ó wá lọ ń ṣe gambler àbí bọ́ńkẹ́lẹ́ sọ pé ó ṣe yẹn náà. Ó wá ń ta tẹ́tẹ́. Mo ti kó 2 million fún yàn rí tó jẹ́ pé ó lọ fi ta tẹ́tẹ́ ni. Wàláhì owó oúnjẹ ni mò ń fún sí. Ó máa jẹun lásán ni. Mi tí ìrírí business tó máa sọ pé òun máa ṣe láyé ẹ̀ tí máa bá wọn dá sí. Èmi ni mò ń sọ yẹn o. Ká máa sọ èèyàn nítorí pé ó jẹ́ pastor. He should not react. He will react because he still people will say ládùú owó tá dá fún Muyideen. How come tí ayé ẹ̀ ṣì wà bákan náà? People is gonna say it. Èmi náà wà lára àwọn tó sọ. Pé níbo ni ẹ̀yin tí wọ́n ṣe fún Muyideen wà? Èèyàn kan sọ fún kan ti ṣe yín yẹn lẹ́ẹ̀mejì. Mo ní kò possible. Mo ní báwo ni ẹ̀yin yẹn ṣe wá rí bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn? That is the same thing they're gonna say when they see Muyideen fail. People will say same thing. That how come tí ọmọdé if he fail? Is it not the same person tí Àgbàlagébẹ̀ tá dáwó fún? It should not be in this stage because we expect him to be in another form. But in the actual place, as Àgbàlagébẹ̀ has God, this guy need, let me tell you one thing. Nǹkan tí ẹ̀yin ò mọ̀ ni pé because God descend on Àgbàlagébẹ̀, he don't just help them because he wanted to help. Because when he bring them to limelight, they will support. No! He needs to go to God. Ask. Does this person need help? Some people, they don't need help. Wọ́n ti dá májẹ̀mú fún àwọn àti Ọlọ́run pé ní wíwá táwọn wá sílé ayé yìí káwọn kan máa jẹun ni. Káwọn máa jẹ olówó. Káwọn kan máa jẹun ni. So ìwé èèyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ yẹn ṣé wo Muyideen yẹn ní Àgbàlagébẹ̀ máa sọ yí pé òun fẹ́ sọ dolówó. Ó máa padà sí tálákà ni. He tried for him. Please don't allow anybody to open their gates and destroy, because if that kind of a man, Àgbàlagébẹ̀, remember it's not only Muyideen that is having that kind of don't ní abẹ́ Àgbàlagébẹ̀. It's not only Muyideen, because you're going to suffer a lot. Lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ tá wà yìí, àwọn arúgbó méjì kan wà lọ́dọ̀ bàbá Àgbàlagébẹ̀ tó máa ń jẹun London wọn. Àwọn people yẹn ṣubú ni. Do you know how many people that is going to crumble when you crumble this man? Do you know how many people? Do you know how many widows that this man is feeding with the money that we are supporting him? Do you know how many widows? Do you know how many àwọn arúgbó, àwọn ìyá tó ti darúgbó? Do you know how many people this man is feeding with the same money telling them to come and feed free food every morning and night. Who does that? If I want to get church in la, they don't do it. Only this man did it. So we cannot think about the good. I know I was angry. I was really angry. It's expected. It is meant to be. But because of the love I have for him, I believe in him and I believe in his ministry. Do you understand? I believe in Agbala Gabriel and his ministry. So I just have to let go. Because I can see so many videos that they want to use to name him. Have you thought about the people that is going to affect, that is around him, that is going to affect? Have you thought about your action? How many people this thing is going to affect? Because you and me know that if Agbala Gabriel come into your WhatsApp, you will give him money. Of course, I will give it to him because I love him. If you don't allow him to continue what he's normally doing, if you don't allow him, why are we Yoruba like this? Why? Why are we not going to stand with somebody that has been doing good? Look at all these celebrities. Look at Nollywood celebrity. Look, go and check my videos. It was, is it not last year? It was last year what I was crying here. Only this man was building houses for them. The same man you guys want to castigate. You want to name the way you named Jesus Christ? What are you guys going to gain? Kill him again in way. If this man stop what he's doing, so many people that surrounded him. I want you Lomo. I want to get ọmọ wọn ti abandon wọn. I want to get ọmọ wọn ò lè ṣe nǹkan kan mọ́ nílé ayé. Tẹ́pẹ́ àwọn ogun ò lè gbápá àwọn ọmọ tó yẹ pé handicap ni wọ́n. Bàbá yìí ló ń tọ́jú ìyá wọn. Giving them hope because he's still breathing. Because Baba Gabriel is breathing, that's why they can breathe. If you let your word, you will love people who can support, come and shake me for Agbala Gabriel. And you said he's a good man. Agbala Gabriel is a good man. Who has cancer board built us for so many years in abroad? Who has he built out for? Who has he built out for? Because when I sat down, Tomati Efuma need 20 pounds. Toba ma fi kole na, pátápátá 5 pounds ma jẹ titi. Ta ló fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ tí ò ní jèrè? Ta ló wà níta nínú yín tó fẹ́ ṣiṣẹ́ tí ò ní jèrè? Níbo lẹ ti expect pé kó ti jẹ? Mo bèèrè lọ́wọ́ yín ni o. It's a question. Torí pé tá bá rán ẹni tí ò ń ṣe pastor níṣẹ́ gan, ó máa jẹ lára wa. Níbo lẹ expect kí Agbala Gabriel ti jẹ? Níbo ló ti dé nínú ayé tó ń bí yín nínú gangan? Níbo ni Agbala Gabriel ti dé nínú ayé tó ń bí yín nínú? Ṣó ti jókòó pẹ̀lú òun àti governor wọn ti jọ ń jẹun? Ṣó òun àti president Nigeria ti ń jẹun pọ̀ ni? Ṣé torí ẹ̀ nínú ṣe ń hun yín? Have you asked yourself the consequence of your action on this man? How many people is going to affect? How many people is going to affect? Have you thought about it? Have you thought about it? Ẹ má jẹ́ kí ìbínú yín kó pọ̀. Ẹ jẹ́ ká ro dáadáa tó ti ṣe. Ẹ wo gbogbo àwọn Nollywood Yorùbá movie. Man yìí ló dìde fún wọn. Àwọn tó ti kú nínú ayé. Àwọn tó yẹ pé kò sẹ́ni tó mọ̀ wọ́n mọ́. Àwọn tó yẹ pé àwọn ẹbí wọn gan ti fi wọ́n sílẹ̀. This man, they came and they have hope on this man. And this man gave them hope. They have house láti lè gbé. Àwọn ẹlòmíì bá ọ̀kadà lọ ọ̀kadà ń gbé wọn ṣubú ni máa kọ́ wọn lẹ́sẹ̀. This man gave them hope. Have you thought about the goodness that this man have done? Ta ló ń jẹ́ Muyideen? Ta ni Muyideen gangan? Ta ló ń jẹ́ Muyideen? Muyideen is an ungrateful person. Kí wọ́n mú lọ sọ́dọ̀ ìyá olówó. Olówó Nigeria tó lówó gan ní Nigeria is an ungrateful person. Muyideen can never become somebody. I'm telling you. Muyideen is nobody. Muideen has been cursed. He has been cursed already. Forget the mistake of beating him. We are human. Agbala Gabriel is human. Let's think about the people that is going to affect. That is going to affect. Nobody Muideen she very well be don't so English be. How will Muideen jam that kind of a woman in real life? Láàrin èmi àti ṣé Muideen lè fẹ́ wo obìnrin yẹn? Ó lè fẹ́. Agbala Gabriel make it come to reality. Mọ nǹkan tí Agbala Gabriel ṣe ńbẹ̀ ni. Only is not about your education. Only is not about your figure. It is not about your figure eight. Muideen was nobody. Agbala Gabriel make him to be somebody. How many people of you that went to school that have that kind of a wife? It is the grace of Agbala Gabriel that make Muideen have such a wife. Have you thought about it? Ṣùgbọ́n tó gbé Muideen jẹ́ ọmọ pọ̀tọ̀pọ̀tọ̀. Muideen jẹ́ ọmọ pọ̀tọ̀pọ̀tọ̀. Ó di dandan kó lọ sínú pọ̀tọ̀pọ̀tọ̀ ẹ̀. Do you know pig? You know pig. Níbo ni pig máa lọ? You take pig to the river, bath him properly. He will go inside that pọ̀tọ̀pọ̀tọ̀ back and roll himself inside the pọ̀tọ̀pọ̀tọ̀. That is pig for you. Òun ni kí ló yíkọ Muideen. Muideen pig ni. Kí ló máa ń pè ní Yorùbá? Pig ni Muideen. He doesn't supposed to be among the living, among the àwọn èèyàn tó wà nínú ayé. Inú pọ̀tọ̀pọ̀tọ̀ ẹ̀ ló yẹ kán gbé sí. So let anybody that want to use Muideen, because I've seen that some people bravo for you, what on wanted. Ó fẹ́ wọ́n Muideen lọ sẹ́wọ̀n ni. Ṣé bọ́dẹ̀ ni Muideen. Ó fẹ́ lò ní tó bá máa fi gbọ́n sí wọn kọ RIP Muideen kudos to you. Láti ìgbà tó wà lọ́dọ̀ Agbala Gabriel, ikú ò máa pa ẹ́. Ó fẹ́ lọ sọ́dọ̀ olórí burúkú tí wọ́n kọ wanted lé lórí. Wọ́n lọ lórí burúkú ti gbalé fún ẹ. Ikú ò pa ẹ́ o. Olórí burúkú yẹn ni four sisters. Òun náà ló lọ sínú ọ̀dọ̀ Agbala. Má ní yóò tọwọ́ owó lọ́wọ́ olórí burúkú ẹ̀ o. Ó lọ ṣe ẹ̀dẹ́. Má ní yóò tọwọ́ owó lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀. Má ní yóò mọ nǹkan tó ń ṣẹlẹ̀ lórí social media. This man did not know nothing that is happening on social media, which I can vow for it. I am not Agbala Gabriel speaker, but I am his fans, number one fans that love him dearly. I'm his fans. I can do anything. I believe in his God. I mean, if I'm a bit big back. Do you understand? Even when I was not serving God, I was serving Agbala Gabriel God because I love him. It was not because he was a Christian. That's why I love him. No, because he was doing the right things in the presence of Almighty God. That was the reason why I love him. I love him. I can do anything for him. Please, for God's sake, mo bẹ̀ yín ni. Gbogbo ẹmọ Yorùbá káàró òjìrì. We have this man in Yoruba land. We should not castigate him. That is the only person that we have. All the people that we have, they are evil. Ìkà ni wọ́n. We should support him. We should keep carrying him up. He should not be dropped on the floor. Why? Nítorí pé ó ṣe ẹ̀ṣẹ̀ kékeré kan. Tó bá jẹ́wọ́, mo ju ọ̀rọ̀ yìí sí ẹ. Tó bá jẹ́wọ́ ló rán Muideen lọ́wọ́. Ó gba ṣọ́ọ̀bù fún. Ó ṣe gbogbo nǹkan yẹn. Muideen, ó wá lọ ń fi owó yẹn ta tẹ́tẹ́ bí ìyàwó ẹ̀ ṣe sọ. What are you going to do? Kò dìgbà téèyàn bá jẹ́ àgbàlagbà. Nígbà míì máa ń wà ọmọ kékeré ó gbọ́n jù yàn lọ. It's not by age. It's about the sense that is here. Muideen does not have that number 6. He does not have that thing. Kò ní number 6 yẹn nínú ọpọlọ ẹ̀. And his brain needs to be reset. man was trying for Muyideen not to go back to poverty. That is what Agbala Gabriel was trying to do. That's ó fẹ́ dójú tì mí ni. Ó fẹ́ dójú tì mí láàrin àwọn ènìyàn tó fún ẹ lówó. Láàrin àwọn ènìyàn tó dá ẹ lọ́lá, ó fẹ́ dójú tì mí. Ìtìjú ló fẹ́ gbé wá fún Agbala Gabriel. Ẹ̀yin ò mọ̀ pé tí Muyideen bá di ẹni tí ò ní nǹkan kan lẹ́ni, ìtìjú ló jẹ́ fún Agbala Gabriel. That I did not mentor him properly. He was under Agbala Gabriel. He's not close to, he's very close to his church. And ayé Muyideen wá bàjẹ́. What do you think people will say? Eh? What do you think people will say? Ben tó bá ti jẹ́ olórí burúkú náà ni. Nǹkan tó yẹ kí Agbala Gabriel mọ̀ nìyẹn. Ẹsẹ̀kẹsẹ̀ ló yẹ kó ti lé dànù. Nígbà tó ti rí ìwà orí burúkú yẹn náà, ìwà orí burúkú tó tẹ̀lé tó olórí burúkú ẹ̀ tó fi ṣoríire láyé ẹ̀, orí burúkú yẹn náà ló ṣe ń follow ẹ̀. Orí burúkú yẹn náà ló ṣe follow ẹ̀. And you know this man, you see this Agbala Gabriel, his territory is going to expand more than this. Please don't let it stop. Please. Ìyà máa jẹ àwọn èèyàn gan. Ó ṣe Agbala Gabriel ìyà máa jẹ. Ó ti yé yín. Àwọn èèyàn tó wà lẹ́gbẹ̀ẹ́. How many pastors ló máa bọ́ síta lẹ́ni? Ló máa ní pé nígbà corona tí àwọn èèyàn ò oúnjẹ jẹ. Ẹ lọ wo iye tó ń ta bag of rice. Ẹ mọ bag of rice mélòó tí màá yẹn ń sè lójúmọ́. Tí ò gbowó lọ́wọ́ ẹni kankan. Tí ò gbowó lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó máa wá jẹ oúnjẹ yẹn. Wọ́n ní hope. There's a lot of people tó wá ń jẹun ní ọ̀dọ̀ Agbala Gabriel tó máa sùn tí ò sí nǹkan kan tó máa jẹ. Ó mọ̀ pé tílẹ̀ bá mọ́ Agbala Gabriel church ó máa so oúnjẹ, àwọn máa jẹ breakfast, àwọn máa jẹ dinner. Ẹ ti ẹ̀rù ọlá yẹn nìkan. Àwọn tí ebi ń pa. Ṣé ẹ̀yin ò mọ̀ pé gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń dáwó? Ṣé ẹ̀yin ò mọ̀ pé ìṣẹ̀dá àwọn tó ń jẹ oúnjẹ yẹn wọ́n ń ṣàánú? Wọ́n ń ṣàdúrà fún yín ni. Wọ́n ṣàdúrà fún yín ni. Agbala Gabriel ò kó owó yín kó lọ kó fún àwọn báwo ló ṣe máa ń sọ ná. Ẹ mọ̀ pé àwọn kan tó bá sọ pé lọ ṣe sàrà ó ti yé yín sí, wọ́n ní àwọn kan ló máa gba owó yẹn ná. Owó yín tún kún sí ni. Ta ló ṣàánú? Ta ló dá owó sí ọ̀dọ̀ Agbala Gabriel tí ò rí ìyanu nínú ìgbésí ayé ẹ̀? Pé láti ọdún tó ti ń dáwó fún mà nìyí o, òṣì àti ìranù ló ń dé báyìí. Bọ́ síta. Èmi ò rẹ́ni tó ń ṣàánú tí orí burúkú ń dé bá. Àmọ́ torí Muyideen. Ta ló ń jẹ́ Muyideen? Why are you giving him fame? Why are you giving him fame? Fame that he cannot even handle it. He cannot even handle it. He cannot even handle it. Ó sáré lọ sí akílò orúkọ kìíní. Ó sáré lọ sí TikTok. Ó ní pé ó sáré pọ̀fọ̀. For you to know that ológun ni. Somebody that stay with pastors. Ó gbé nínú ọ̀dọ̀ pastors. Ó jẹun pẹ̀lú pastors. Ó di ẹni tó ń pọ̀fọ̀. Ó di ẹni tó ń pọ̀fọ̀. Ẹ ti mọ̀ pé in the first instance, if not for God, ó ṣe é ṣe kí Muyideen yẹn kó ti fi nǹkan bí ògùn kó ti fi sínú ìgbésí ayé Agbala Gabriel. If not that God love him. God love Agbala Gabriel. So he needs to be vigilant. He needs to always be in spirit. You need to always be in spirit. There's some people you don't support them. You don't even help them. You don't even give them money. They don't deserve your money. Some people in life. They don't even deserve your money. At the end of the day, you're going to regret. Wait, why it's Moshe Shelore? I'm telling you. Wọ́n máa gbé pé kí ló ṣe fún mi? Kí ló ṣe fún mi? Nǹkan tí wọ́n máa gbọ́ nìyẹn. Please, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ bá wò mí tẹ́ wà abroad. Please don't stop your supporting this guy. Don't stop. All what they want is for them to take this guy down. That is what they want. But if truly you are in love with Agbala Gabriel and you love his ministry, because àánú ni ministry yẹn ṣe, kò dẹ̀ sí bí ilẹ̀kùn àánú ò ṣe ní ṣí sí ẹ. Please, for God's sake, let's keep supporting him. He need our support. Nigeria ti le jù lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ báyìí. Nigeria le gan. He can't do it on his own. He cannot do it. Look at the caliber of set of people that come to his church. Can Agbala Gabriel do it? No. Look at the caliber of people that surrendered him. He can't do it without me. He cannot do it. He can't. He cannot do it. People are jealous of him. People are jealous of him. See what happened with Muideen. That was how I realized that people are jealous of this man. Gbogbo ẹ̀yin tẹ́ wà ní diaspora, all the diaspora people that is supporting Agbala Gabriel, please keep supporting. Stop the negativities. Don't let negativities stop you. So many people's life is gonna stop. Remember all the old people. Tí man yẹn ràn lọ́wọ́, wọ́n ní méjì ṣubú lánàá. Wọ́n ní méjì nínú wọn ṣubú lánàá. I was crying with my friend when we were saying it. Mo ń sunkún ni. Wọ́n ní méjì sunkún ó ṣubú. Ta ló mọ stage tí wọ́n máa wà báyìí? Kò ṣe pé àwọn ọmọ wọn ò ní ní. Tí wọ́n bá ní, àwọn ìyá wọn ò ní wà lọ́dọ̀ Agbala Gabriel. Ìmí nínú wọn tó yẹ pé àwọn ọmọ wọn ò sí láyé mu gan mọ́. Ìmí nínú wọn, àwọn ọmọ wọn abandon wọn. Ìmí nínú wọn, àwọn ọmọ wọn they abandon their parents. But this man put it upon himself to ask you to help if you have.